Hello, my class. Today we're going to do page 3 of the decimals review, and that is on page 289. I repeat, page 289. And it seems to have gone well that students got a little less support from me yesterday. So taking your scrap paper as always, because even though you might have this book, it is just not enough space to write. Decimals Review 3 is your title, and the date is April 10, 2020. So here it says, locate and draw a point on the number line for the fraction or mixed number, then label it with its corresponding letter. So you have this number line here. Now, if you do not have the book at home, you can just copy the line. It starts here at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little pieces in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means this is divided into eighths. So you would call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you would put one in the middle, 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 and again in the middle there. You could make this one longer if you want. In there. And then you go again. So there's 8 little lines. Whoop, all the way across. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, there should be 7 little ones in the middle and then 2 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm missing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. So now you've got fractions 4 1/2, 7 eighths, 1 3/4, 3 1/4, 2 3/8, and you need to put them onto this line. And I would start off with the ones that are maybe easier for you, like 4 1/2, 3/4. So 4 1/2 would be somewhere over here, 4 1/2, and you place them on the line. Once you do one, I would cross it off after you do it so you can keep track. Okay, we're moving on. I'm not going to help you anymore. Sorry. For numbers 9a to 9c, complete the chain of equivalent fractions. So remember this word, equivalent means equal. Okay? So you have 2/5 in the first one. 2/5. And so what I have taught you in class is you make a fraction bar. And you need how many pieces? 5. So I'm just going to use my finger to just kind of eyeball it so they're equal. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's about equal. Good. 4, 5. And that's 1/5 in here if you wanted to draw it in. But we're going to color in 2. So 1/5, 2/5. And to make equivalent fractions, you draw a line. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like the example. 10. And how many would be on the top is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2/5 equals 4/10. And it is asking you to make other equivalent fractions here with a denominator of 15 and 20. So I would like you to give these a try, making equivalent fractions for 6/12. Be careful with this one. The denominator is smaller, so you will need to erase lines. That's gross. That was a hair. And yeah, you need to make equivalent fractions for all of these. This one here is asking for an equivalent fraction for 1/6. So again, you will need to draw. That's how I've taught you. you draw the fraction bar. First into threes, then break it into sixes, color 1. And how do you make an equivalent fraction? A line. But they are asking for 5 fractions that are equal. So you will need to keep cutting the fraction to make fractions that are equal to this. Okay, and the last question here is number 11. A lizard has a length of 43 hundredths meter. Write 43 hundredths in decimal form. So for that one, I remind you that if it is hundredth, it means there are 2 places here. All right, so that's page 289. And I know this is a shorter video, but I'm trying to just pull back a little, and you guys need to try a little bit of this on your own now. So give me a call, give me a message if you don't understand. Over and out. Goodbye.